How's it going, everyone? I want to take a minute to walk you through a trade. So, let's talk about my morning. First off, I missed a short entry right here. I missed a couple short entries. This one missed my entry by like 3 points. So, I didn't catch this here, even though Grizzology tried to tell me. I did catch shorts down here too low of day. So, I basically gave up on the day. You all know if you was live trading with me here on YouTube. I ended the live, so I was done. But I seen this candle here. So, okay, I want to say a little retracement. I want to entry a little bit closer to that previous day point of control because my stop will have to be 5-minute close back above this pre-market low or hard stop setting around this 82 area. So I ended up getting in these shorts around, I think it was 47 was my entry. I took it to low a day. What I liked about this setup when I'm looking for trend, there's one thing I didn't like. So let me talk about that first. Sorry for the back and forth. This is just my raw thoughts as I go. These are never scripted. Anyways, I didn't like how we'd pushed almost to pre-market high and sold off all the way back down, broke below pre-market low, then we was retesting. I knew there's a chance that we bounced, right? So I wasn't interested in entering on this candle at all. As you can see here, we're kind of bouncing now. Anyways, once I seen this candle, I said, okay, sellers are definitely in control still. So I want to get in as close to my stop as possible, right? I want to wait on a little retracement for less risk. And that's what I did. I got in this trade and it literally instantly made the move down to that low a day. I made $1,400 on my account, my personal account, real cash. I wish I could have caught this with you all during the live, but tomorrow I'm going to make sure I stick around a little longer so this doesn't happen again. But I did tell you all, the V-shape reversal was possible. We pushed down. We had this strong candle here, and I would have actually taken longs if we'd pulled back a little more. They was just too much risk for me to enter longs here. If you have any feedback for the lives, I would love for you to drop them in the comments. Okay, would like to hear what you think I could do better. If you're loving them, all that good stuff. And if you have any questions about this type of setup, drop them in the comments as well, or just join my live in the morning. I do daily Q&As on there, so come hang out. I like to keep these short and to the point, so if you feel like I left anything out, feel free to reach out and ask me about it. Peace, everyone.